to you by Lightspeed Aviation and XM/WX Satellite Weather. Changed your mind about who makes the world's quietest, most comfortable aviation headset? Then come by Lightspeed's booth and learn about our Zulu Special and the expanded Trade Up program. And be sure to cast a vote for your favorite aviation charity. The top 5 will each receive no less than $10,000 from the Lightspeed Aviation Foundation. See us in booth D51 through D53.
Hi, I'm Mary Grady reporting for AvWeb from Sun and Fun 2010. Beechcraft King Airs have been flying since the 1960s, but they weren't quite like this one that we're going to look at today. The 350i has all the latest electronic gear in the cabin for the passengers as well as the pilots. So here to tell us all about it is Trevor Blackmer, a product manager for Beechcraft.
The 350i is really to focus on that corporate environment whereby the customer or the passenger is truly the most important as opposed to the mission. And so we've gone through the cabin and re-engineered every component. It's an all-new interior, has the latest and greatest with regard to LED lighting, has cabin management system whereby the passenger is in complete control of their environment with regard to temperature, lights, entertainment, capability to place phone calls in flight, surf the internet in flight, plug your iPod in. All of that it's all just as you would expect maybe a high-end home or high-end office as far as capabilities. The aircraft itself has remained largely unchanged from the previous 350 with regard to the engines and avionics. They're also extremely well suited for the airplane. A 350 is a 310 knot aircraft roughly, capable of flying over 1,500 nautical miles with a full load of people. Some of the other features that we'll point out inside, each passenger has a programmable switch panel which allows them to select their environmental controls with regard to things like seat heat, window darkness, lighting around their table and their environment, as well as entertainment, whether they want to listen to a DVD or MP3, that sort of thing during the flight. Some of the new technologies are electrochromic window darkeners, which allow the windows to be darkened electronically, much like the rear view mirror in a lot of automobiles these days that automatically dim. So you can control the entire cabin together. If you're in the aft rear seat, you can darken the window up on the front left-hand side of the airplane if that's where the sun's beaming through. And then finally, we've added flexibility to the cabin in that the pilot or the owner can reconfigure the aft club section, removing seats and actually replacing seats with ottomans. If maybe you don't need 8 people on that flight and only 6, you can stretch out just like business class. So it's again, keeping that flexible theme and a high-tech theme is really what we focused on with the 350i.